Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick video, I'll be showing you how to easily find your saved Instagram drafts, so let's get started. First, open up your Instagram app on either iOS or Android. If you've saved a reel as a draft, sometimes it can be tricky to locate it again. So, let me quickly show you how to save a draft. Open up your camera and create a reel. Then click Next and Save. Now if you click on the New Reel option or open up your camera, you won't see your saved drafts. So, what you need to do is click on the plus button to upload a new reel. You'll see the Drafts option at the top. Click on it to access your saved drafts. You can manage your drafts by clicking on the three dots, where you can choose to duplicate, delete, or edit them. Let's say you want to edit a draft. Click on Edit and make your changes. Once you're ready to upload your edited draft, click on New Reel and then Upload. The first option you'll see is Drafts, where you can select your edited reel. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and turn on notifications for my channel. And if you haven't already, please subscribe